Hello everyone, exciting time lies ahead as Pakistan becomes the hub of groundbreaking plastic surgery techniques, thanks to a highly skilled panel of international experts.
Starting with Dr. Giovanni Botti, renowned for his meticulous artistry. He will teach us about the deep plane facelift, a technique that ensures enduring and natural results. And if that wasn't enough, he will also delve into the intricacies of mid-cheek lift and periorbital rejuvenation, so that our understanding of facial rejuvenation is unparalleled.
From the heart of Sweden, we have Dr. Charles Reinquist. His session on primary augmentation, secondary augmentation, mastopexy augmentation, reduction, endoscopy brow lift will be giving a complete insight how to achieve a good aesthetic balance and function. With Dr. Charles, it's all about precision and perfection.
Traveling from Egypt, Dr. Sameer Goraba is set to redefine nasal surgeries for us. His mastery over primary rhinoplasty and deep plane facelift techniques offers a unique chance to grasp the nuance of facial transformation.
Cosmetic surgeons all over the world eagerly wait for his sessions and they are full of knowledge.
From Bahrain, we welcome Aman Al-Minti, who is the world-class sculptor of the human physique. His session on figures of abdominoplasty and HG liposuction is going to be masterclass and body contouring. You can find innovation, surgical technique and transformation all in one and single session.
And not to forget, coming in all the way from Mexico, the amazing Carlos Oaxaca. He specializes in revision rhinoplasty, crafting perfection upon perfection. His sessions promise insights into corrective nose jobs, which are both artistic and scientific.
The star-studded lineup of international aesthetic surgeons and gurus from around the world is not just a testament to the progression and growth of cosmetic surgery in Pakistan, but it is also a fantastic opportunity for all the enthusiasts, seniors and juniors to learn from the best.
Mark your calendar and make sure that you don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Stay tuned for more information and please get registered for this conference. See you there.